There was just white bass. There they are. Come on, pop again. They were chasing shad. There was probably, I don't know, 30, 40 of them. Yeah, they're still over there. I'm ready to pull crankbaits right through them. I had to turn a little bit to get over to them, but they're still popping. Sweet. And there's one on right there. Kind of in a pickle here. I got two on the floor, and I have two poles hooked up. So, all four poles went off at one time. There's another one. I can't just throw him on the ground though, because I already got that. And I may have the biggest crappie I've ever caught in my life. I just boated. Alright, throw him down. Of course, I pulled my crankbait box out, and I left my crappie box on the dock, and that's where my pliers are. But I'll figure it out here. I do have my tool bag. There we go, I got him. Alright, let me get this crappie. Look at this toad. That is a massive freaking crappie. That thing's huge. I mean, absolutely huge. I'll show you. I know videos don't really do justice. Here's the crappie. Here's the full box. His head don't even fit to the bottom. That's not my biggest, I don't think. He's nice. 14.5 inches. I'll take him. That's a solid crappie there. That's a good one. See you guys.